Hi, so this tutorial is going to cover sending documents from the desktop to the back office. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we have already written our wills, okay, and our LPAs in this case, and they will be, because we've written them, under client instructions. So what I do is I click on client instructions, and now I identify the one I want to send to the back office, okay, which is going to be Tom and Tammy Thumb. So under ready to synchronize, I click on mark as ready, and that turns red. So that's the one I'm going to send, and I can send more than one if I wish at a time, but I'm going to send that one, and I'm going to now OK it. And now I need an internet connection because at the moment everything I've done can be offline. It can work in the client's house offline, but now I need to send the instructions to the back office, so now I need an internet connection. So I click the next button, which is send instructions to back office, and I'm going to proceed with that. So it's now sending all of my documents to my back office, to my CRM system. So once that's done, I need to look at my documents. So basically, if I click this button here, remember this will send me to the back office, to the CRM system. And here I've got some new business. So I've got active clients here, I've got new business and new prospects, which we'll go into later. But the new business here, if I click on that, I can see that I've got Tom and Tammy Thumb here. It's an updated record, which is just for demonstration. I've already sent it once before, and I can send it as many times as I want if I want to make changes. But that's really fairly irrelevant. It will come into new business. I then click to create the documents, and that's created a client record, as we can see here, Tom and Tammy Thumb. If I want to, and I would encourage this, there is a charge. Ask us how much it is. It's very reasonable. But in the early days, if you want your documents checked, then if you click send to checking service, obviously before you do that, talk to us. We'll go through the charges with you for us to check your documents, and obviously we'll talk about the terms and conditions as well. So that option is there. And then if you click client documents, your will be there. This one has a discretionary trust and a memorandum of wishes. And your LPAs will be there. Your lead generated letters will be there. And that will be if you have attorneys or executors or guardians, you can generate a letter. We've got some explanation letters there as well. We'll go through these in more detail on the overview of the back office. And you've got miscellaneous documents here. But that is to show you how to take documents from the desktop and send them and view them in the back office.